Looks really modern. Hissi SE4 in Hansa Kortteli. 5 floors. 5 floors, but very modern. Very modern. Very full of glass and very nice.
Första våningen. Ovet avvalda. Dörrarna öppna. Ovet avvalda. Dörrarna öppna. Ovet solgöra. Dörrarna stängs.
Even with the Swedish translation.
Fjärde våningen. Ovet avvalda. Dörrarna öppna.
This doesn't even feel like a Kone elevator. Somehow. It feels like a cheap Chinese copy. Somehow. Yes, that's it. That was very fast. Only under 1 minute 20 seconds video. That's it.